This was rescued from Holio. Is rainbow chutney carrots. I'm going to add it to the water to retain the freshness before using it. This minced meat was bought from Amazon fresh. Unfortunately, it's not a good quality. It's a Zam minced meat. The kids were asking for lasagna and I'm unable to go to the market. That's why I ordered this. But the quality is not that good. Even look, from the look of it. I'm going to open it now and see what is inside. After removing it from the package, it looked fresh, but it's more of fat than of meat. And the smell, there's no way I can cook this without first rinsing it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of cold water on this and let it settle for like 5 minutes, then pour the water out and start cooking. I've got 2 medium size of onion here. I'm going to dice them. 100 ml of oil. Add the diced onion. After 1 minute, I'm adding in the minced meat. The minced meat is stuck together like a stone. It's even difficult to break it. I can't believe this. Oh my God. Because of the quality of the meat, I'm going to be using Sazam thigh chicken thigh fillet. This is 120 gram. I'm going to rinse it and grate it or blend it. I'm adding lemon juice to it, so I'm rinsing it with lemon juice. The meat blender or the meat grinder. This is made to grind meat, so let's see whether it will work. Yes, subhanallah. That's scary. I've cut it into smaller pieces. Let's give it a try again. It worked. Let me add the other half. That's good. Add the minced meat and the minced chicken, I mean. And mix well. For the season, I've got 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of minced herb, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of stock powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I'll make sure I mix this well. While this is cooking, I'm going to prep the vegetable. The vegetable is ready. I've cut off the bottom part of it. I'll do our first. I've got 1 kg of vegetable altogether. I'm using tomato lasagna sauce from Morrison. This is the first time I'm using this sauce. Hopefully it would come out nice. 2 tablespoons of paprika was added, and I need to add a little bit of salt. This is the salt that we use now. And I'll cover it and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. I'm using 750 grams of lasagna sheet, little bit of oil and hot water. Alhamdulillah, the sauce is ready. This can be used to eat rice, or spaghetti, but we are using it to make lasagna. I'm using mozzarella cheese. 3 of this one has been added to the pot. Is 150 grams or 200 grams, 125 grams, and I'm using it pizza as well. And I've had in 300 grams of cottage cheese. I'm going to blend them together now. Next is to put everything together. The sheet has been soaked for 20 minutes in hot water. This mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, time to put this in the oven for 20 minutes. Alhamdulillah, nemat for the end result of our lasagna. Mashallah, it really look nice. I hope it tastes nice as well. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah Subhanahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love. IWHAT.